Hi, welcome to my math session. In today's section, we are going to see multiplication of fractions. So let's get started. So the multiplication of fraction is quite simple. The formula is you will have to find the product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. Given a fraction a by b into c by d, a into c divided by b into d. You will have to just multiply the numerators divided by, you will have to multiply the denominators and simplify. So this is a formula for multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to see 8 to 9 small sums with respect to multiplication. Let's get started. So the first sum, 7 by 8 into 3 by 5. So this is a simple multiplication problem. You will have to multiply the numerator. So 7 into 3 is 21. Divided by, you will have to multiply the denominator, 40. If you can simplify it further, you can simplify. That's all. So it's next one. Next one involves a mixed fraction, 6, 2 by 3 by 1 by 2. Okay. So first we'll have to convert this mixed fractions into improper fraction, and with this answer, with the improper fraction, you have to multiply 1 by 2. Okay. If you want to know how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, there's a separate video on it. If you want, you can take a look at it. So now I'll quickly tell you. First, you will have to multiply this whole number with the denominator, that is 6 into 3. Okay. With this answer, you will have to add my numerator divided by, you will have to carry forward the same denominator. So 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So it will be 20 by 3. So again, I'm telling you, you have to multiply 6 into 3. Plus, you will have to add the numerator. With this answer, you will have to add the numerator. Divided by, you should carry forward the same denominator. That will be 20 by 3. Now, 20 by 3 into 1 by 2. If you want, you can cancel. 10. It will be 10 by 3. Another sum. Next time this involves two mixed fractions. By 5, 1 by 2. So let's do. So in this case, you will have to solve both the mixed fractions. You have to convert them into improper fraction, then continue with the normal multiplication. So on doing so, 7 9 will be 63. 63 plus 8 divided by 9, and this will be 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 divided by 2. So 63 plus 8 will give me 71. So 71 by 9. Then 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. So now I have converted my mixed fraction into improper fraction. I'll have to multiply. So 71 by 9 into 11 by 2. So 71 into 11 will be 781 divided by 18. That's all. Next one. Next sum I'm going to do is 5 by 8 of 20. Okay. So of 20, this also means it's a multiplication. Of 20 is of 20 value. You want just 5/8 of the 20 value. That is what it means. So 5/8 into 20. You can just simplify. 4s are 10. It will be 50 divided by 4. Again, if you want, you can simplify. It will be 25 by 2. Again, next sum. Next sum is 1/5 of 230. It's the same thing. So it will be 1/5 into 230. You can just simplify. 5 4s are 20. 3 6. The answer will be 46. So next one I'm going to do is 1/4 of a day. So here a numerical is not given. So it is given 1/4 of a day. So for this, we'll have to convert this day into a numerical value. So a day can be written as 24 hours. So it will be 1/4 of 24 hours. So now I have to do 1/4 into 24. So my answer will be 6. Now you should not write, my answer is 6. You should write 6 hours as your answer, and you should not write 6 days because we have converted a day into 24 hours. So your answer should be in 6 hours. Okay, the next sum will be 3/4 of an hour. So the question is given in terms of hour. Now I'm going to convert this into minutes. So it will be 3/4. An hour can be converted as an hour can be converted as 60 minutes. Okay. So that will be 3/4 into 60. So non simplification. It will be 50. Now this will be 45 minutes. Your answer will be in minutes and not in hours because we have converted this 1 hour in terms of 60 minutes. We have converted them to minutes. So the answer will be 45 minutes. Next sum. Next is will be 2/5 of a kilogram. Okay. So this kilogram I'm going to convert into as a gram. So 1 kilogram will be 1000 grams. So 2/5 of 1000 grams. So 2/5 into 1000. Let's simplify. It will be 200. So it will be 400 grams. My answer is 400 grams. And the last I'm going to do is 1/2 of an year. Now it's given as year. So we can convert this year into as 12 months. So it will be 1/2 of 12 months. So it will be half into 12. So it will be 6. So we have to write as 6 months and not 6 years. So I think the last 4-5 sums we have been using with respect to units. So they'll give you a unit and you'll have to convert into a numerical value and then find the answer. So I hope this video is very useful to you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.